What up guys, it's Ikagai Garage, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you the D2 coilovers that I ordered 5 days ago. Come on, check them out. Alright, this is one of the coils. It has height adjustment, it has camber plates for the camber adjustment, and then it has dampening. Alright, let's put them on the table and check them out. The reason I ended up going with these is because I used to have a 92 DA Integra that I had the, D2 coilovers, and if you check right here, you'll end up seeing the pic. You got the back springs.
Now, retail on these.
Alright, these cost me about 900 bucks. Shipping was about $12. Ended up being here in 4 days. Max 5, because that first day when I shipped it.
Got the fronts here. This purple is sick. Hold up. Is your whole build gonna be purple?
Nah, it's gonna be more of a red and black with a little bit of purple here and there. Little sneak peek, I ended up buying these.
Bust them out.
Bright bucket seats, low max. I have to clean them up, and I still have to order the brackets and sliders, but they are reps.
Hear that? Reps.
I didn't want to go with full expensive parts at the moment, but soon to be.
What is that right there in your hand, Isaiah? So that came with the.
I see some carbon fiber on the inside though.
What?
I don't want to fuck up this nice packaging.
Damn, these pictures.
Oh shit.
Let me see. Oh, okay.
Fiber stickers.
Hey, D2.
Yo,
in
no,
carbon.
Feel it. It's actual carbon fiber.
Oh, real carbon fiber
Whoa,
D2.
This is clean.
Yo, this is actually pretty sick.
Wow. It says thank you very much for your continuous support. Let us always keep leading speed, and we can stay competitive.
Yo, that's so sick. Yo, shout out D2. Sponsor us. Yo, like, you're gonna want to, I swear. What are you doing?
Trying to get that piece back in.
We got nothing but content coming your way.
Okay.
Oh shit, yo.
So the parts that you're gonna be needing, these are the rear shocks, these are the front suspension, those are the rear, right there, that's the rear spring, it's the bottom of the coil piece, all the pieces in there too. That was actually pretty cool.
You heard Michael, at least we know if rust ain't gonna be an issue.
Yeah, thanks. No, those eBay.
Good. When does your mom leave?
I don't fucking know.
Alright, so
she's back.
we're gonna cut this. So now that you guys seen all this, we're gonna go and just start doing the work on the car. Here's the E36. We already got it. We already got it on all 4 stands. Even got the tow hook. I mean the tow under it, whatever. The jack under it. I'm fucking retarded. Yeah. We get this shit done. He's gonna do some work, and I'm gonna just some fucking music. So. NASCAR. Ah, you dumb fuck, dude. Cletus. He almost had that perfect fucking.
Ah, this one too.
You dumb motherfucker. No, just.
Cut it out, cut it out.
He said no, retake.
Put them all back on and then take it off.
Jesus Christ. It's because it holds on by that fucking, by the lug nuts. It's dumb. I hate fucking Germans. No, I'm joking.
Nah.
Alright.
Hey, this is a sensor and it's cut.
any check engine lights? Any fucking ABS sensors?
Nah, I don't got nothing on.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, son.
Every game.
You sure it's a sensor?
Yeah, look, it's a wire going to it, to this. It's obviously got to be a sensor.
There's another one in the back.
Well, this is, yeah, another one, but this goes around. The freaking coilovers, they're kind of dumb. And then the other one's obviously brake line. But after that, there's one bolt that I see, one bolt up here,
No.
and two down here. One right here, the other one on the other side. No nuts on the other side, just that. This is the only one with a nut. And then the top bolts and that should come off.
And then, yeah, just take off the top, the tower, right? And these are already kind of fucking loose anyways.
Jose was with
Oh, okay, makes sense. Yeah, and then from there you kind of just fucking take out the coilovers.
Yep.
Spring.
Just pulled out the spring.
He just pulled out the fucking the spring. As you can see, some eBay ass fucking shit.
Garbage.
Garbage, literally fucking.
Wow, look what happened,
garbage.
guys.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Right when I was turning, it just clap. Never buy Harbor Freight. Look, guys, look,
What the
look.
fuck happened?
That's why you don't buy Harbor Freight. That's exactly why you don't buy Harbor Freight.
Don't buy Harbor Freight.
Buy all the tool.
Yeah, you don't buy Harbor Freight. Fucking metal made out of not metal.
Made out of not metal.
It's like metal with shavings in it. Melted shavings just to get it.
Is check out the bolts moving, Marcos.
Go ahead. Nope.
No, alright, it's just stuck. You have like WD-40 or something?
Yeah. It's gonna be a new guy working on this shit every time the fucking clip changes.
And the shield though. You got it?
Yeah.
I just didn't want to whack it because it's screwed.
Fuck it, it was trying to tell me to stop smoking.
Shit was burnt anyways.
Mm-hmm. You tasted it, right?
That's why it was in
What about the top piece?
It's coming off.
Is it?
There you go.
Set it down a little bit. Just a little bit slowly. Yeah. Okay.
Timothy's time to take over.
I do it all the time. Should be fine there, actually.
Cause I get it. Cause look how it's going up faster and faster every time you gotta do it. Cause it's getting
Like those are gonna be like kind of dry versus these. Like you can't do that with the front, obviously.
because the fronts aren't like this.
Yeah, the front's already got the spring on.
Yeah. These are separate.
Yeah, that's fine.
There was no fifth one, not that I found. But they're the long ones.
Alright.
Timothy's time to take cover.
The third bolt for the shock on that side.
Bro, that shit's blown.
What the? Bro.
I couldn't just release. Don't even.
Yeah, look at it. It's like.
So what's gonna happen? That it would shoot out or what?
I don't know. Do it again. Just.
We get hit with it.
Fuck, bro. This fucking. Literally blown, bro. Jesus.
Bruh. Fuck up off me. Fuck up off me.
Sorry, man. Sorry.
Fuck up off me.
Goofy out you. Keep saying that shit, bro.
Huh?
Keep saying that shit. I'll beat the goofy out you.
Hey, let me get
Let me get a fo.
Yo, can I get the phone? Nah, I should mean the 5 bag. I don't even know what it's called.
What?
5 bag. Dude, it's probably right.
You know, just did my suspension work today.
what the
You know, I'm just trying to go home. You know,
Man, dude. Okay, it's tight.
I think.
How tight?
I don't know. I'm about to find out.
Tight like a tiger?
Oh, yep.
Like a
Tight like a
tiger.
tiger.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Huh?
I said your teeth gap tight.
That's pretty fucking
Yep,
tight.
that's tight.
That's a tight gap.
So, we finally got full suspension. Not full suspension. Well, all the coilovers, we got them all installed. Front, rear, everything. Probably didn't do it properly because there's still a couple parts right there for the hoses and shit like that. But that's okay because when we were looking at it, it honestly didn't even seem like we needed to mess with the hoses because some of them were already deleted, like the ABS. And besides that, it was just brake line and something else. I don't even know what the fucking other one is. I don't know that much.
No,
These guys will
probably
have
an
a better
ABS,
answer.
but it was cut, so.
Yeah, it was cut either way. He has no sensors, so he has no lights, so there's no issue anyway. So we just put it to the side, and it's not even like moving in the way of like actually turning or anything like that. But like this is how the car looks. We have some adjustments to make on height. This is our first like go on it. We kind of just tried pre-adjusting it beforehand. We didn't know how it was gonna look. I'm pretty sure no one kind of does. So like this is how it came out with all the pre-adjustments. Obviously nothing is even 100%, so we have to go back and make sure. But this is how it came out. This is we're actually pretty surprised on how close we got it to pretty good fitment. Now we're just kind of cleaning up the area and shit, and just showing you guys the fucking final keys and shit. You know what I'm saying? Show you guys how it looks for now. Fucking.
This one's definitely
Already like
tucking a little bit more than the other side, but
yeah, it's kind of already like 7:32. We started this shit pretty early. A lot of shit got made. Now you guys get a little preview of the inside. Guy, what are you doing? Hey.
About the same. It's just different.
Seeing how they're. How's it feel?
Good so far.
That's fucking, that was grip. I was not expecting that, but yeah.
Damn, really good, bro. Shit out of it. All right, now this.